bada bum bada bum bum bum. Morning. What's going on? So here we are, drifting on an open sea. Here we are. Hey, Bugs. What's going on, buddy? Mino Giga Jabe. Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning. This is my cat, Bagheera. Usually sleeps with me in the bedroom until around 1 or something. And he's got to do like a midnight feeding. Bagheera, how's it gonna be when you don't know? What's your favorite song, Bagheera? Bagheera's a huge Kiss fan. What do you think? You like The Elder? What's your position on the album The Elder? I don't know. He doesn't like to get into it. It's too divisive. Too divisive. This is where I make my coffee. All right, let's go. Bugs, I have to do a show now. And it's going to take about an hour or so. But when I'm done, we can hang out, okay? All right, let's go. How's it gonna be? Why do I keep singing that song? I don't even like it. This is a cartoon I did. Steven drawing me on a spaceship in outer space. I don't believe in outer space anymore, but I did when I drew this cartoon. Anyway. Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, Michael, how are you? I'm alright. Hey Natasha. Hi Michael. You wanna do a show? Yeah, sure, why not? Let me get back here. Okay. Oh, this is so weird. Is that a good shot? Hello, everyone. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and now please welcome NANABOOZHOO. All right, let's get started. When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lights will guide you home. know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you.
Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Can y'all hear me all right?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yep.
Hey y'all, welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Emily. Over here we got the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ekadon BOOZHOO, Natasha, say hello.
BOOZHOO, kakira awiya.
And then, of course, over here, we got the star of the show, Mr. NANABOOZHOO. Say hello, NANABOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
And over there, in that corner, we got the rock star cartoonist. The rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Say hello, Michael Lyons.
Hello, Michael Lyons.
And if y'all are ready then, I say we get the show started. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Natasha.
BOOZHOO, kakira awiya. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the show. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Natasha. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. That was great, buddy. Hey, thanks, man. You too, sweetie. Oh, get out of here. Bonjour, Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning. Welcome back to the show. Oh, wow, you guys. So much talent. Nah. And hoka hey, Mino Giga Jabe, Wissani. Sweetie, can we get a gold star for Wissani? Yeah, you got it. Gold star for Wissani. Bonjour. Curtis Mills is here with a morning. Good morning, Curtis Mills. Curtis Mills, can we get a silver star on the board? Silver star for Curtis Mills. Good morning, Curtis Mills. Good morning, buddy. Oh, wow, Jim Dunn. Jim, come. He's been done. How's that go? He's come, been, and gone. He's been there and done that. He's been there and Jim done that. With a bronze star. Mino Giga Jabe, Niji. Good morning, brother. And today's Ojibwe word of the day. What is it, sweetie? Oh, you know what it is, sweetie? What's that? Bungi. Bungi. Bungi is something that is little. Bungi. As opposed to Gichi, which is something that's very big or great, like GICHI-MANIDOO. GICHI-MANIDOO, the great spirit. Bungi, little. Gichi, big. And sweetie, cutie. What? Well, we dendagozi is to be cute. Well, we dendagozi. Yep. If you're a little cutie, we'd call you a bungi wawia dendagozi. Bungi wawia dendagozi. And the opposite of being a cutie is being an ugly. Yeah. That's when you're a mana dizzy. Mana dizzy win. Mana dizzy win is also to be ugly. I'm not sure how that works out, but today, Panzir Medical, hoa, Mino Gigaje Panzir. Welcome to the show. Today, I wanted to introduce Panzir Medical to a little book by Michael Lyons called Bungi Wawia Dendagozi. Little Cutie. A little cutie is an illustrated children's story. Once upon a reservation in northern Minnesota, there lived a little girl named Aubrey and a little red and white teddy bear named Bungi Wawia Dendagozi. They're in northern Minnesota. A little teddy bear named Little Cutie. There's Aubrey picking up Little Cutie. There's Migazi taking for a Wagosh. The fox is in there. There's Mengwa, the butterfly. There lived a ragged red and white teddy bear. Wagosh, the skunk, or Wagosh, what is Jagag? Yeah, Jagag. And Baka Akwe, the chicken. A couple of muckwags. And there's a little teddy bear. Well, Little Cutie feels like he's got to leave the house. He thinks Aubrey's outgrown him. And he's going to go on a vision quest. And so this is Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest. And while he's out there, he meets the Great Spirit. He meets a yellow alien named Steven. Here's something. Hold on. There's something suspicious here. Let me see if he comes around again. There's a Jidamu, the squirrel. Oh, okay, that's cute. Oh man, it's all right, Little Cutie. You still got me. It's not a comic book though. It's a little narrative. It's like a Woody and the Pooh book. Yeah. But is there another drawing of Michael? Or the Great Spirit, I should call it. Available at Amazon.com. Here, I want to show you guys something. How come? Oh, I'm not going to find it now. So GICHI-MANIDOO. Okay, here we go. When Little Cutie meets the Great Spirit, he's out in the woods. He's playing guitar for an alien and that. He looks an awful lot like a certain rock star cartoonist I know. Yeah, it does. Michael, do you think you're the Great Spirit? No, I don't know what he looks like, so I just am looking like myself. Oh, yeah. Pretty high opinion of yourself, I think. Bungi Wawia Dendagozi is a little cutie, and it's a story of a teddy bear. He goes on a vision quest. Now, some people might ask you, Panzir says, nice. It's in my Amazon cart already. Oh, no kidding. Michael, Panzir's going to buy Little Cutie. Hey, miigwech, Panzir. Thank you. But if my daughter Dolores and I get to Birchbark Books first, we'll get it there. Birchbark Books got your book there? You know, I think they bought a bunch a couple of years ago. That's cool. Birchbark Books is that bookstore down in the cities, right? Yeah, I think that's the one that Louise Erdrich's daughters run. Oh, yeah. Love medicine. Love medicine. Zaga Mushkiki. Anyway, it's a cute book. If you'd like to support the show and support the Rockstar Cartoonist, links are in the Amazon, whatever, in the description. And you can also sign up on Patreon. But Wawia Dendagozi. Okay, now this is different, sweetie, than being beautiful, huh? Did we do beautiful? I thought we did. Maybe we didn't. Oh. Okay. This is better anyway.
No, it's my favorite one.
Yeah, I know. This is Natasha's favorite Ojibwe phrase of the day. In fact, I think we even have a Michael Lyons cartoon. Ojiberish cartoon. Here we go. So at the end of Little Cutie, Aubrey finds him sitting out in the woods all by himself. GICHI-MANIDOO, Steven the alien, all of his woodland friends he meets along the way, they all disappear and they go on a spaceship ride into outer space. But he's still there. And Aubrey comes up and she's all like, how did you get way out of here? I thought I lost you. And she picked him up and he learned something about whatever. Life and love. She picks him up and she says, Giza Gain, oh, I love you. Giza Gain. I love you. So much love in the world, I can hardly stand it. It really is a loving time, isn't it? It's so crazy. Something happened recently in the world where there was a return to love. Zaga Idiwin is love as a thing. If you look up how to say love in the dictionary, in the concise Minnesota Ojibwe English dictionary, yeah, it'll say love is zaga, just Z-A-A-G-I. So when you say I love you, Weenie Moshane, yeah, you do it backwards. You say gi, that means you, gi, love in that I. You love that I. Yeah. You love that I love you. Zaga iniwen, love. Gizaga in, I love you. Gizaga ini weenie Moshe. I love you, my sweetheart. It's getting embarrassing. Nah. But what can we say about Zaga iniwen that hasn't been said a million times before? Love. Love. Love is so hard. What does Paul Stanley say about love? Yeah, what are the teachings of Paul Stanley? Hey, Paul. Hi, Nanaboozhoo. How you doing? I'm doing okay. What's wrong with your voice? It's awfully early in the morning. Sometimes I forget how I sound. But how you doing? I'm good. Have you written any love songs? I've written a couple of love songs. I wrote a love song on my solo album. Though I know that you are sleeping, girl, there's something I must say. Though the road may wind, my love will find the way. And it was called Hold Me, Touch Me, Think of Me When We're Apart. That's a long title. I know. Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Stanley. How you doing, people? Yeah, there was that song. You also did I Still Love You. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I still love you. Yeah, that was a pretty good one. I keep on thinking we should do a reaction video. A reaction video? What's that? Where we watch another video? That was the moment I thought Paul Stanley was at his peak and probably should have retired. Retired? I'm never going to stop rocking and rolling all night and partying every day. Yeah, I think it's high time you do. I heard Johnny Depp was playing and singing with Gene Simmons the other day. Yeah, I saw that. He better not think he can get into Kiss. I'm the singer of Kiss. Yeah, I know you are, but if you decide to retire, we have to think about what's best for Kiss. And I think Johnny Depp might be a good, Can you get Johnny Depp on the phone, sweetie? Sure, I'll call Johnny Depp. I'm going to call Johnny Depp up and see if he wants to be in Kiss. You better not. It's too late. It's ringing. Hi, is this Johnny Depp? Hi, Johnny Depp. It's Natasha. Yeah, from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Hey, you want to be on the show this morning? Yeah, Nanaboozhoo has a question for you. Okay, hang on. I'm going to transfer you. All right, I'm transferring. Sweetie, he's on line 2. Line 2, huh? Johnny Depp, welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. Hello, Nanaboozhoo. How you doing? It's awfully early to be calling me. Oh, yeah, sorry, man. I didn't realize. What are you out in Hollywood? Yeah, I'm in Hollywood. We're an hour after you guys. Yeah, so it's only like 6:20 in the morning. Did I wake you up? No, I had just come in, but I'm thinking about going to bed now. What did you want? What can I do for you? Well, I was just talking to Paul Stanley, and I told him you were playing guitar with Gene Simmons, and I was wondering if maybe you weren't trying to get into Kiss. You better not try to get into Kiss. I'm the lead singer of Kiss. Is that Paul Stanley? Yeah, Paul Stanley is here. Hey, Paul. It's me, Johnny Depp. Hey, Johnny Depp. How come you're playing guitar with Gene Simmons? I'm the only lead singer of Kiss. Yeah, no, I was just jamming with him. I'm not trying to get into Kiss. Well, then how come you wear that makeup? You look like you want to be in Kiss. And if you think you're going to take my job, you got another thing coming. Oh, whoa! No, it's okay. I don't want to be in Kiss. I already have a band. Yeah, that's right. What's your band called? We're the Hollywood Vampires. And Alice Cooper is in our band, and a couple of other guys. Yeah, isn't Keith Richards in that band? No. Keith's a good friend, but no, we have another old guitar player. Who was it? Yeah, was it the guy from Aerosmith or something? Yeah, Joe Perry. Yeah, got a bunch of kind of aging rock stars. Yeah, it's cool. Anyway, so you promise you're not trying to take Paul Stanley's job? No, Paul, there's only one star child. And I could never fill your 7-inch platform heels. That's right, Johnny Depp. You better not try. Just take it easy, Paul. All right, Johnny, I just wanted to check. How's everything else going with you? Oh, it's all right. I was just out playing guitar in my crow makeup. I went out and I bought some 7-inch platform heels and Ibanez Iceman guitar. Hey, that's my guitar! That's right, Paul. I lied when I said I wasn't going to take your place and Kiss. You better watch out. Uh-oh, Paul, you hear that? You better not! Listen, man, I better go. All right. How do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? Well, we say, Giga min, Minawa. I will see you again. Yeah, that's right. Giga min, Minawa, Nanaboozhoo. And Giga min, Minawa, Paul Stanley. Giga min, Minawa, Johnny Depp. You better not try to take my job. Yeah, we'll see. Uh-oh, Paul. I didn't like the sound of that. Yeah, I know. You better keep singing to those backing tracks. Hey, I don't sing to a backing track. Yeah, you do. Anyway, so what do you think, sweetie? About what? Johnny Depp, you think he's going to take Paul Stanley's job? No, I don't think so. Yeah, probably not. I think I'm just starting a rumor. You're just starting rumors. Curtis Mills. Oh, is Curtis here? Yeah, he sure is. Hey, BOOZHOO, Curtis. BOOZHOO, Mr. Mills. Love is all you need, so I've heard. Yeah, from that greasy hippie John Lennon. Apparently all you need is love and a bulletproof vest. Hey, don't joke about that. Too soon? You're going to make people mad. When is it no longer too soon to make jokes about John Lennon getting shot? I don't know, but maybe it's okay. Yeah. Okay. BOOZHOO, everybody. Dolores just woke up and she really wants me to tell you that she is saying hi. Hey, BOOZHOO, Dolores. What's that song everybody sings when they hear the word named Dolores?
Hey there, Dolores, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, girl, but tonight you look so pretty.
Yes, you do. That's not Dolores, that's Delilah.
Oh, that's Delilah. Hey there, Delilah. I like Dolores better.
Yeah, Dolores is a prettier name. Dolores. Dolores is one of those, like, I mean, I don't want to call it an old lady name. It's a classical name.
Yeah, but it's a name that a lot of the old grandmas from that generation had.
Yeah, you don't hear it too often anymore. Dolores. Such a beautiful name. Actually, I knew one girl named Dolores. One little girl. She's probably all grown up now. But back in the days of the grandfathers, I knew a 4th grader who was probably, named by her grandma after her grandma. And her name was Dolores. And I used to love saying, hey, Dolores, come over here. Hey there, Dolores. Anyway, what else we got here, sweetie?
Well, we could count to 10.
Count to 10 without the count?
I forgot to get the count on the line.
Could you find the count?
I could look up his number.
Could you?
Sure.
We're going to look for the Count Von Count's phone number.
Okay, let's see. There's David Bowie, Kermit, Michael Jackson. Here's the count. And I'm dialing.
You would think these guys wouldn't be so easy to find.
I know, huh? All right, it's ringing. Hello? May I speak with the Count, please? Well, hi, Count. This is Natasha. Yeah, from the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Uh-huh. Say, would you like to be on the show? We're going to count to 10. I think NANABOOZHOO wants to ask for your help. Yeah, I know you love to count. Okay, hang on. All right, he's on line 2, sweetie.
Okay. Count Von Count, welcome to the show. NANABOOZHOO! You have called to have me count to 10 in Ojibwe. That's right, buddy. I've been meaning to get you back on the show so we can count to 10 in Ojibwe. Could you help us teach the kids how to count to 10 in Ojibwe this morning? Oh, but of course, I love to count. All right. This is counting to 10 in Ojibwe Moen. Bejig nijne sway ni win.
Nanin and godwa sway.
Nijwa sway.
Nishwa sway.
Junga sway and a midda sway.
Everybody singing.
We will. Okay, sorry. Count. How about you? Let's see, how am I going to do this? I'll say the Ojibwe, and then, okay, I'll teach you the Ojibwe. Do you know the Ojibwe words? I've heard them before, but can you tell me how to say them again? Yeah, sure. All right, let's start with number 1, Bejig. 1. Bejig. 1. Nij. 2. Nij. 2. Nisway. 3. Nisway. 3. Are you going to laugh like that after every time? I laugh for every number. That was 3 laughs. Yeah, try not to do that. Oh, okay. Ni win. 4. Ni win. 4. Nanin. 5. Nanin. 5. Oops, sorry. That's all right. Ningodo aswi is 6. Ningod waswi. 6. Nij waswi is 7. Nij waswi. 7. Nish waswi is 8. Nish waswi. 8. Jungaswi is 9. Jungaswi. 9. Midaswi. 10. Midaswi. 10. 10 Ojibwe numbers. Let me see if I can do this on my own, NANABOOZHOO. Yeah, go ahead. Bejig. 1. Nij. 2. Nisway. 3. Niwin. 4. Nanin. 5. 5 Ojibwe numbers. Ah, ah, ah. Ningod waswe. 6. Nij waswe. 7. Nish waswe. 8. Jongaswe. 9. Midaswe. 10. I've counted to 10 in Ojibwe Moen. Ah, ah, ah. Now I can count in Ojibwe. Ah, ah. Yep, you sure can. Thank you so much. You did that very well.
You did that perfectly, Count.
Ah, ah, I love to learn how to count in Ojibwe. For you know, I am the Count. I am Count Von Count. Ah, ah. Yeah, we all know who you are. How's everything else going in your life these days, Count Von Count? Oh, I cannot complain. It is going very well, but I am afraid I am so terribly lonely. You're lonely? Yes, my heart, it breaks every night. I go out looking for girls, and I cannot find somebody to love. You can't find anybody to love? Sweetie.
Oh, Count, I'm so sorry to hear that.
Yes, I mean, every time it's the same story. I meet a girl, we meet up, we get along just great. I bite her on the neck, I want to leave her a hickey, and then she die. She dies? Well, no, she turns into a bat and flies away, and I'm like, no, my darling, do not leave me, my heart, it is broken. Well, that's what happens. Quit biting your dates on the neck. You know? It's your own fault. Besides, hickeys, come on, dude. Ugh. What is this, 1976? But how can you tell a girl that you love her if you do not give her a hickey? Okay, listen. Unless you're living on track 33 in Cass Lake, there's a better way of saying I love you in Ojibwe. Sweetie, you want to teach him?
Yeah. Hey, Count.
Yes, Natasha.
If you want to say I love you, a better way to do it is just to say, Gizagain, I love you.
Gizagain? You mean that is a Ojibwe phrase for I love you?
Yep, that's right.
Oh, but then how come all the girls on track 33 just give hickeys?
I don't know, but just stay away from track.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Yeah, so instead of giving hickeys or turning your dates into vampires, you can simply say, Gizagain, I love you. And then maybe one of your dates will go longer than just one night. You know, you have taught me so much, Nanaboozhoo, and I thank you. Thank you so much. How do you say thank you in Ojibwe? We say, Miigwech, 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 Nanaboozhoo. You have been a true friend, as you have, Natasha. Ah, ah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, Count, I gotta go. Here's one more phrase, buddy. Whoops. Gigawaba min minowa. I will see you again. Gigawaba min minowa. Ah, ah, ah.
That Count.
Yeah. He's got a lot of problems with girls.
I know. Well, it's those fangs.
Yeah. And how old is that guy? He's got to be hundreds of years old by now.
Well, he is a vampire.
And he's still giving girls hickeys? Come on. I think I was 15 the last time I had a hickey. All right, I'm just going out on a limb here. I know I'm going to offend a lot of people. But if you're over 20 and you're still getting hickeys, you're pretty much trailer trash. So saith the Mamengwa Ogama. I am the Butterfly King.
What?
Don't you know, sweetie?
You're the Butterfly King?
Yeah, I can command butterflies. Ambe Mamengwag. Come, butterflies.
Oh, what?
Yes, my Fly, my pretties. Remember how, like, the Wicked Witch of the West, she'd send out her flying monkeys in The Wizard of Oz?
Yeah.
I'm like that with butterflies. If I was a superhero, I'd be Butterfly Man. Just barely able to flutter around. Kind of skinny and not very strong.
But beautiful. But cute.
But I'd be just cute. Wawia Dendagozi. Just cute. Oh, hey, you know another way you can learn how to count to 10 in Ojibwe, sweetie?
Michael's book?
Yep. You know where I'm going with everything, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Michael Lyons also has a children's book called Dog and My Ingun. And Dog and My Ingun counts to 10 in Ojibwe. And why don't I play the little cutie, or the Dog and My Ingun video, and we can turn the show over to you.
Okay.
Dog My Ingun counts to 10. Dog speaks English. My Ingun means wolf. Oh, last night was the wolf moon, by the way.
The Maingan Dibik Jesus?
Yeah, doggone it. We should have did a show last night called the Maingan Dibik Jesus.
Yeah.
The wolf moon. Yeah, that's what they called it, right?
Yep, it was a big old full moon, I guess. Did you look at it?
I didn't even notice. I can't even see out of the windows. Our windows are covered with plastic and blankets. It's so cold outside.
I know, it's like 3 below.
Brr. Ningikaj. It is cold. Agwaching. Outside. Anyway, up next, the lovely and talented Natasha. Miigwech. But first, this is Little Cutie. Let's read Little Cutie together, huh, sweetie?
All right.
Not Little Cutie. Let's read Dog and My Ingun.
Even better.
Nope, that's the wrong one. What'd I do with... Here we go. Dog and My Ingun. You want to read it together?
You got it.
Dog and My Ingun.
By Michael Lyons. Hello.
BOOZHOO.
1.
Beijig.
1 dog.
Beijig Anamosh.
1 wolf.
Beijig My Ingun.
2.
Nij.
2 eagles.
Nij Migazi Wug.
3.
Niswe.
3 bears.
Niswe Mukwug.
4.
Niwin.
4 raccoons.
Niwin Asivanang. Nanan.
5. 5 deer.
Nanan Wawa Shigeshi Wug.
6.
Ningod Waswe.
6 crows.
Ningod Waswe Andeg Wug.
7.
Nij Waswe.
7 rabbits.
Nij Waswe Wabuzug.
8.
Ish Waswe.
8 squirrels.
Ish Waswe Misa Jidamu.
9.
Jangaswe.
9 birds.
Jangaswe Beneshi Yang.
10.
Midaswe.
10 butterflies.
Midaswe Mamengwa. Miigwech.
Thank you. Dog and My Ingun.
By Michael Lyons. Available at
Amazon.com. BOOZHOO! Oh, brr. Ningikaj, it is cold. Agwaching. BOOZHOO, Beneshiag. Hello, birds. You're sure chatty this morning. Singing a morning song. Better put on my tobacco. think I'll say a little prayer. Whenever I pray, I always offer the tobacco. I always offer the tobacco as the Great Spirit. Oh, tobacco, please accept my Great Spirit. No, I offer the Great Spirit my tobacco. So I might say something like, Odapanan niwi asema, GICHI-MANIDOO. Accept my tobacco, Great Spirit. Nusana wakwing abian. Our Father who art in heaven, miigwech ka GICHI-MANIDOO. Thank you for my life. Miigwech ka GICHI kakina keku ka GICHI chikean nungong. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech ka GICHI gigashape. Thank you for this morning. Dush miigwech ka bizendawi egg. And thank you for listening. Ape inge. Amen. Brr. I'm just gonna dance in place. Keep my body warm. If you're outside and it's really cold and you find yourself getting sleepy, don't fall asleep. That's hypothermia. I learned that when I was a little kid. What? Remember in Rocky, what was it, 3 or 4, where he goes to Russia? He's got to work out outside in the snow. Just running through the deep snowbanks. That must have been some workout. Brr. Isn't it weird how, like the deer, Wawashigeshiwug, they don't just freeze to death in the winter? I don't understand. They got the shortest little nothing hair. They're skinny, got little skinny legs. And every morning I'll see them, walking through a whole family of deer. It can be 30 below, and they're like, "Hi, how you doing? Good morning." Or sometimes they'll just nest for a while, but they'll lie down together like a little family of cats or something. But a human being, that's how you know we didn't evolve. If we had evolved, adapted to our environment, we'd all still be covered in hair. We'd all look like Bigfoot. But no, if we go outside for more than an hour in the winter with no clothes on, you're dead. It's like, okay. Brr. Ningikaj. Gisina. I'm cold. Yeah, I'm going in. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. You ready to come in? Yeah, it's too cold out here. All right, hang on. 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Welcome back. Thank you. Oh, wow, it's really cold out there. Where were you? I think I was in Chester Bowl Park again. Oh, yeah. But, yeah. Oh, winter. What can you do? What can be done? Nothing. You just got to wait it out. You're asking me, will our love grow? It's nice and warm in here, though, by the fire. By the Ishkode. Yep. Anyway. How you doing? I'm great. Want to take a call? A phone call? Yeah. Oh, sure. What line? Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hello there, Natasha. It's me, Rolf the dog.
Well, hi, Rolf. How's it going? Sweetie, it's Rolf from The Muppet Show.
Hey, Rolf, how you doing?
Hello there, brother. I tell you what, I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. I got a cup of coffee. I got kicked up. I put my feet up and I'm watching the show, learning some Ojibwe.
Well, that's great. Yeah, I got a little coffee here, too. Thank you, by the way.
Yeah, no problem.
How do you say coffee in Ojibwe?
Well, we call coffee black medicine water. Muckaday is black.
Muckaday.
Mushkiki means medicine.
Mushkiki.
And then waboo is water that you sip. Or like hot water.
Waboo. So all together you call coffee Muckaday Mushkiki Waboo.
Yep, that's right.
Well, that's a mouthful. That's more than a bones mouthful.
What?
You know how dogs have bones?
Oh, that's right.
I don't know. Just trying to keep up.
Yeah. So what's going on? Have you met a nice girl to settle down with yet?
Nope. Stay away from women. That's my motto.
I know. But don't you ever get lonely? Don't you want to find a special someone and have a little litter of your own?
Well, I suppose if I ran across the right bitch, I could change my ways.
Hey, don't swear.
No. That's a female dog. That's not a swear word to dogs. That's just what we call each other.
Yeah, I know what you're doing.
Just in case I do meet a nice bitch, how do you say I love you in Ojibwe?
Well, number one, don't call her a bitch, but we would say gizaga'een, I love you.
Gizaga'een, I love you. You know, sometimes when I look in the mirror, I like to say, Gizaga'een, I love you, Rolf.
Yeah, I think we all love you, Rolf. So, how's the piano business?
Oh, it's all right. I was at the piano bar last night, playing songs. You know, the boys were there. They were like, play me a song. You're the piano dog. Play me a song tonight. And then there was my cousin Davy.
Oh, yeah? Is he still in the Navy?
Yeah, he probably will be for life.
You know, I'm sure that I could be a movie star. John, Rolf, I believe this is killing me.
As the smiles. How's that go?
Yeah, no, I'm trying to remember Piano Man.
You'd think I'd know it. It's 5 o'clock on a Saturday.
Yeah, there you go.
The regular crowd shuffles in.
There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to this tonic and gin. Man, Billy Joel. He's a poet.
Have you ever had Billy Joel on your podcast?
We haven't yet. We've had a lot of rock stars, but not him. I wonder if he'll ever call in.
Yeah, I don't know.
So, did you make any New Year's resolutions?
Yep, stay away from women. That's my New Year's resolution.
How's that going?
I can't. That's my New Year's problem.
Really?
Yep. Women. Can't live with them, and you can't live without them.
That's true.
There's something irresistible-ish about them.
We can't bear it 'cause the nights are long.
I hope that something better.
I hope that something better.
I hope that something better comes along. Yeah, I don't know. But until then, Natasha, I'll just have to content myself with watching your show.
Well, you know, you're always welcome to call in.
Yep. But I suppose I better go. It's time for my morning walk around the block.
You always take a walk in the morning?
Yeah, I gotta go outside and poop on the neighbor's yard.
Okay, well, I won't keep you. Here's a phrase. Giga min minawa, Rolf.
Giga min, Minawa, Natasha. And Giga min, Minawa, Nanaboozhoo.
Yeah, you too, Rolf. I'll see you again.
Yeah, you too, buddy. Heh.
All right, see ya, Rolf. Rolf the dog.
Yeah. Gonna go poop on the neighbor's lawn.
Yeah, I'm sure glad he's not our neighbor.
Yeah.
I wonder if he lives on Sesame Street.
I don't know where he lives. I don't think he lives on Sesame Street.
He probably lives wherever the Muppet Show is filmed. New York, LA, Beverly Hills, swimming pools, movie stars. I tell you, I wouldn't want to live in California anymore.
I know. Have you seen some of those videos?
Yeah. There's YouTube videos where a guy just drives around California and goes, here, look at this slum. Oh, look at this tent city. Oh, look at this. It looks like, it's like Mad Max came true and it turned into California.
Yeah, no kidding.
Hey, Wally Bear is here. He says, bonjour, Savs. What's up? More savage than average, Wally Bear. Never realized how much Alex Jones sounds like Rolf. He does, huh?
Yeah, Alex Jones.
Yeah, let me see if I can do Alex Jones.
You're listening to Alex Jones. What's that show called?
That's pretty... Whoop. That's my voice.
Oh, sorry. That's pretty good, sweetie.
I know, huh?
Alex Jones. InfoWars. If you're watching this, you're part of the revolution or whatever. The resistance.
Alex Jones, what a fat load of lying loser.
He's a gatekeeper.
Alex Jones is a gatekeeper. He's a shill. He's a guy who's paid by the man or whoever to sort of, when people start looking into like conspiracy theories, they always end up at Alex Jones's show. They go, oh, here's a guy who tells us what the conspiracy theories are. But he's just a guy to keep you from learning more. You know, he's... Who cares? Sunny day, baby doll. What'd we learn today?
We learned about little cutie.
We did learn about Bungie. Bungie Wawi Adendagozi. As opposed to the GICHI-MANIDOO. Or Manidizzy. Why do I want to call it Manidizzy?
That's a form of ugly, but I can't explain it.
Manidizzy. Ugly. What would you say is something that's ugly?
Modern art.
Wow, you answered that quick. When I was in college, when I was a little girl, they had you believing there was no such thing. That there was no objective truth. That beauty was in the eye of the beholder. Therefore, ugly is in the eye of the beholder. And then they told you, if you don't like ugly art, it's because you don't understand art. But then as I got older, I realized, nope, they just don't understand. Some things are beautiful, and some things are ugly. You know what I think is beautiful?
What do you think is beautiful?
So many pictures we don't have ready.
Yeah. How about that OJIBERISH cartoon?
Yeah, I think Michael's cartoon is very beautiful. Gizagain, I love you. There's Aubrey and little cutie. There was a time we talked about filming the little cutie story in video format.
We could do it if we did it as a play.
As a play?
Yeah, if we had just one background and then it was us. I mean, you kind of look like Aubrey.
I know I do, huh?
You could play Aubrey. We could get Benjamin or... No, we could get Munkwa to play a little cutie.
Don't we have any red bears around here?
I don't think so. But yeah, we could get some of the boys to play characters. It wouldn't be a bad idea to do it.
How long do you think it would take?
We could probably do it in 35, 40 minutes.
Something to think about.
All right.
Yes, again. I love you. If you want to say this in Ojibwe, Zaga 80 win, love. Gisagain, I love you. Surrealist, Mido Giga Shave. Mido Giga Shave, Surrealist. Gisagain, I love you. You can also count to 10 with the count. Bejig Nijna Sway Win.
Nanin and gold was way.
Nij was way.
Nish was way.
Junga sway and Bida sway. How's that go?
Buddy, you could door, make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday.
Mud on your face, big disgrace. Somebody better put you back into your place. We will rock you. Everybody singing. Anyway, we learned how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. That was kind of cool. We learned that the count is still giving hickeys, which is pretty gross at his age.
Yeah.
And by the way, Count, if you're still watching, you're not even married. You shouldn't even be given hickeys until after you get married. That's what it says in the Bible.
Does it really?
Yeah, it's in the back somewhere. Thou shalt not give hickeys out of wedlock. It says that. For it is an abomination.
I don't think it says that.
Doesn't it?
I think you're misquoting the Bible.
Well, that's the gist of something. Quit being gross. And right now, all the young kids are going, what's a hickey? Go back to the 80s and ask your great uncle. And what else? We did the prayer. I think that's all the Ojibwe we had for today.
You want to take a call?
Sure, I'll take a call.
Keith Richards is online too.
The Keith Richards?
Yep.
I can't believe he called back in. Yeah. Keith Richards, welcome back to the show.
Yeah, the last. It's like Kate Russia. I want to call in over there. What you know, and one of the airport of his bed.
Well, I suppose we could teach you the prayer again.
What do you say?
He wanted to learn the Ojibwe prayer we did.
How did you understand that?
Well, you can't understand him?
I didn't understand a word you said.
That was good. Get on, yeah, mate.
What do you say? He said,
my voice. He said, clean out your ears, mate.
clean out your ears, mate. Okay.
Yeah, sure, I can talk about the prayer. Odapana niwi asema. GICHI-MANIDOO. Accept my tobacco.
I'm not this guy, dude. GICHI-MANIDOO. Well, it's a good. I walk on this page. Well, it's not just see.
No, it's not really the same thing.
What do you say?
He said he likes to have tobacco. He's a smoker. But he doesn't think that's the same thing as offering tobacco to the Great Spirit.
I don't know how you understand him.
It's easy. Anyway, sorry. And then I said, Nusana Wakwing Abian, which means our Father who art in heaven.
That's not what we have been lost. Well, you know, payment was boy, but it's all down the way. It's all the day, rock it on. But all the time, it's like doing the next while, like one day. Well, but then again, oh, the bed, whoa.
Yeah, I know, huh? And, so yeah, that was from the Lord's Prayer. And miigwech GICHI-MANIDOO. Thank you for my life.
Because, boys, this is my son. Well, I'm here off. I got an orchard for my well, that's what you only out there. That's you, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Miigwech GICHI-CHICKEAN noongum. Thank you for everything that you do today.
Guys, well, I just tell when I was a boy, oh, no, in the fields of there, I like to do, but okay, but you ain't a jail for long. But guess what, though, isn't it? Well, it's all the same to you.
Yeah, it's all the same to me. And miigwech GICHI-GICHI. Thank you for this morning.
Guys, guys, want to get lost.
Yeah. And Dutch miigwech GOFUNDME egg.
Guys, egg. Yeah, thank you for listening. Well, I tell you, you're pretty lobster, and that's all, man. Sometimes you go there, you got a bunch of tobacco, almost shit, to smoke it up.
Well, yeah, just a little pinch. I just offer it. It's kind of traditional. I offer tobacco, and then I just sprinkle it on the ground, or I put it in a tree or something like that. You could put it in a pipe, and actually you could just roll it as a cigarette if you had to. Some people say that the smoke carries your prayers up to heaven.
Is that what you say then?
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to wish you, we're going to pray for that, we're on the girl. But yeah, I'm waiting on a friend.
Yeah, I love that song. All right, well, I better let you go, Keith. Thanks so much for calling in.
Well, you know what, guy, really did, and I wanted to wash you. But then I was sitting there, I was making my coffee, and I thought, oh, I'll call in.
Yeah, I'm glad you did. Giga wabamin, minawa. I will see you again.
Giga wabamin, minawa. You get on, man, you don't have there. What was that?
His name was NANABOOZHOO.
Yeah, Giga wabamin, NANABOOZHOO. I'll see you again.
Yeah, Giga Wabamin, Minawa, Keith Richards.
Yeah, go ahead then.
That's amazing you understand him.
Yeah, I can understand. I speak fluent Keith Richards. I la 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 love you. It's a great song by Pat Travers, as John Redcorn says. Do you know Pat Travers? I la 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 love you.
I don't think so.
It kind of sounds like a Paul Stanley lyric. Why really la 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 love you? Oh, there's I Still Love You. That's a song you sang.
That's a love song I sang.
That's right.
Oh, I still love you.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, Paul Stanley.
Why still? Why still? Why still? Whoa, 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 why still love you? Gives like a een.
Yeah, exactly, Paul. Gives like a een. I love you. I love you, Paul.
I love you too, Natasha.
And then we learned the difference between cute and ugly. What we had done to Gozi is to be considered cute or a cutie. And Manadizzy win. It's got to be win. I don't know.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Is when something's ugly. When you call something ugly, like if it was an ugly dog, you'd say Manadiz Anamosh, right? You're not ugly, though. But Manadizzy win must be ugliness. I bet you that's what win means. Ness.
Could be.
You're asking me, well, I love grow. Bungie is little. Gichi is great. Or big. GICHI-MANIDOO. Get your gummy? Gummy?
A big lake, she says, never gives up her dead. Da-da-da-da-da, Gitchi-Gummy.
And a tale of the Lake Superior. The Great Lake. What else?
I think that's all we learned.
I learned how to love again.
Did you?
Yep. That's the kind of show I had. Anyway. Michael, you want to add anything?
No, can you just remind them to subscribe and that?
Sure. Hey, everybody. If you'd like to support the show, click the links in the description box. Give us a thumbs up if you like the show. Give us a thumbs down if you hated it. Write some hate speech graffiti on the outside of our house if you really hated it. You know, spray paint a swastika or go back to the res, something like that. If you really hate us.
Don't give them ideas.
You can throw eggs at the house. Maybe toilet paper the trees. You know, there's a lot of ways to express your hate of the show. But if you like the show, give us a thumbs up. Share it on Facebook. No one's going to judge you.
What do you mean?
Well, I think some people are afraid to share our show on Facebook because they're afraid their friends are going to go, "You're a grown woman. What are you doing watching The Muppet Show? Why are you sharing Sesame Street? You're a professional lady." It's okay. You can share it. And I think that's it. Oh, and our Patreon, PayPal, GoFundMe. I thought about doing a show today, Michael,
Yeah?
on how to give a super chat.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it seems like a pretty lame thing and a self-serving thing to do.
Yeah.
But I think some people don't know how to give a tip. Like me.
What do you mean?
I've never given a super chat before. And so maybe tomorrow we'll do a short. Actually, tomorrow let's do an evening show.
Yeah, we'll do a Sunday night evening show.
Okay. Oh, good. Weesanee's going to share our show.
Hey, miigwech, Wasini.
Thank you. All right. Well, should we call it a show?
Yeah, let's call it a show.
All right. Let me move the intro music back. Hey, can I call the butterflies?
Are you the Butterfly King?
No.
Well, then I don't think you can.
Won't they come on my command?
Nope, they only listen to the Butterfly King.
Well, that's sexist, isn't it?
Kinda.
All right. Butterfly, oh butterfly, mamengwa, ambe, come. Nothing.
Okay, ambe, mamengwag. Come.
Oh, sure you listen to him. Nobody listens to our little girl anymore. No. Anywho, miigwechka bizadawi egg. Thank you so much for listening. Miigwechka bizadawi egg. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Wait up.
Sweetie,
What?
you're not supposed to be on that drum.
Why? Because I'm a lady?
Those are the rules.
Your traditions are old and sexist. No. My name is Natasha. This is Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.
This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hoa.